Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video we are going to unbox and review the UGREEN car charger. So this is a dual port charger that you use in your car to charge your mobile phones, etc. So let's begin the video. First of all, here is the small box of the UGREEN car charger. On the side we have some of its specification. So the maximum power delivery is 30 watt, which is fast charging. QC is 18 watt and it has multi protection, which includes protection from overcharging and all these different things. On the back we have its specification. So the input is 12 to 24 volts 4 amperes, which is your typical input capacity from your cigarette lighter plug on your cars. So you can plug it with your car, truck, jeep, etc. It has two ports, one is a USB A port and one is a USB C port. So for the USB A port you can see the output capacity. So both the ports support fast charging, but USB A port can go a maximum of 18 watts and the type C port can go a maximum of 30 watts. So you should know that. On the side we have its model number, UGREEN A plus C dual port car charger, and that's all. So let's just simply open the box. And here we have a little manual kind of stuff and the actual car charger itself. So it's a really small car charger, which makes it pretty compact, and this is good because it's not going to take a lot of space on your car's dashboard, anything like that. Here you have the input, the jerk controller, UGREEN logo, fully plastic. I think this is stainless steel. We have the glossy black finish, and on the back we have the two ports. The above one is the USB A port with 18 watt fast charging maximum, and the lower is type C port with 30 watts max fast charging. And yes, you can charge two devices simultaneously as well. So overall lightweight, small in size, and the build quality is okay. Here is my old charger, which is a local brand and not green, and it is not working very well. So I'm going to replace it with the brand new UGREEN charger. First of all, for the size comparison, you can see it's pretty small, and if I plug it in the cigarette port, a cigarette lighter port, you can see it's on almost inside, which makes it quite low profile, and you're going to have this little blue light when the car is powered on. And now if I connect my Android phone using the type C cable and my iPhone using the type A cable, you're going to see that both the devices are charged simultaneously. You can see here is the Samsung one and here is the iPhone one, meaning that you can charge dual devices at the same time using this UGREEN charger, which supports fast charging. So guys, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.